Having trouble with your Samsung Galaxy A27 5G? Booting into safe mode is a quick way to troubleshoot software problems by temporarily disabling third-party apps. Here's how to do it step by step. Start by opening the power menu on your Samsung Galaxy A27 5G. The easiest way is to press and hold the volume down button and the side power button together until the power options appear on the screen. If you prefer using the touchscreen, swipe down from the top of the display twice to expand the quick settings panel, then tap the power icon in the upper right corner. When the power menu appears, look for the power off option. Instead of tapping it once, press and hold the power off icon for about 2 to 3 seconds. Keep holding until a new option called Safe Mode appears. This special startup mode allows your phone to load only essential system apps while temporarily disabling all downloaded applications. Now tap the Safe Mode button, then tap it again if a confirmation message appears. Your phone will automatically restart. The reboot may take a little longer than usual, which is completely normal. Once the device turns back on, check the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a safe mode label confirming that your Samsung Galaxy A27 5G has successfully started in safe mode. You can now test your phone to see if the issue you're experiencing has disappeared. If the problem no longer occurs, it's likely being caused by one of your installed apps. You can uninstall recently downloaded apps one by one until you find the one responsible. When you're finished troubleshooting, exiting safe mode is simple. Press and hold the side power button, tap restart, and allow your phone to reboot normally. After restarting, all of your apps will be available again and your device will return to its standard operating mode. If this guide helped you, leave a like, subscribe for more Samsung tips, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.